attendees that have sent us this before the webinar, right? So one of the first questions was, over on the first statements was, while my current work is primarily in B2B deal pricing, where we often don't have enough data to model price elasticity, right? So what do we do then, right? Again, it's mostly kind of deal pricing. And so B2B pricing, it presents its unique challenges, right? Like, especially if data is very sparse, it's very, very limited. But, you know, in deal pricing, you're just not going to have enough transactional data to kind of create these more sophisticated machine learning models. And by the way, the nature of those deals doesn't actually apply to that at all, right? So instead of the traditional elasticity modeling, you use what's called win-loss modeling to sort of estimate the likelihood of closing the deal based on several factors, right? So, you know, terms, price, competitive positioning, et cetera. And so you sort of shift the problem from a regression problem that is kind of the typical price elasticity problem to a classification problem, right? Your goal is to understand the price sensitivity or the probability of winning the deal based on different aspects of the particular deal. And so you want to leverage things like qualitative data from your sales teams, certainly data from the data that you've captured, the details of historical deals. You know, you may want to capture like external data from industry reports and things like that to actually do some of that modeling. But win-loss modeling, very powerful. You need very kind of accurate and very kind of disciplined data collection on your deals in that environment. And it's really kind of impactful for scenario-based modeling, right? So you want to kind of model different pricing scenarios, different terms that you want to offer to customers, different products and services, add-ons that you want to do to kind of estimate the probability of the win. Again, fairly simple to set up. And I think in many cases, modeling win-loss probabilities is sort of a simpler modeling exercise, provided that you have the right data than traditional price elasticity.